motherfucker won't start.
You shouldn't.
Ease on the brakes if you want to step.
Wiggle the wire on top of the starter.
It's not loose.
Well, just see.
No, it's pretty tight. I mean, it definitely sounds like it's moving something in there.
Well, it's a plunger. And that engages it.
All right. Put it in gear and kind of rock it a little bit. The gears may be sitting right on top of one another. Don't happen often, but it will. That's good. Nothing?
Motherfucker.
It started a minute ago, didn't it?
Yeah.
So it's not the battery. You got the kill switch on, do you?
No, there ain't one.
Try turning the key off and on a couple of times.
Is the key on, Tom?
It's this.
Oh, okay.
For some reason, it just ain't getting spark.
And your music comes on, so it's not the battery, right?
Right.
It's just not getting spark up to that switch, probably.
Yeah, but the plunger should engage that. I have a button on the starter,
Yeah?
and it doesn't engage it either. You know, like an old school chopper,
Okay.
and that's not getting it either.
Can you raise, did you start it with it lowered before?
I lifted it up too and see if that changed anything. It didn't.
Okay, you mash all your brake pedals, everything, to see if they rubbed a wire or something?
The
What?
thing is, this thing right here, that should just fucking boom. You know what I mean?
So that would tell me that the connection is right there at the starter that's not making it. In other words, that plunger bypasses that starter wiring and all that, right?
All of it.
So it's got to be right at the starter, whatever it is. Yeah, shit.
Gotta take everything off again, Roger.
Hey, damned Chinese goddamn motorcycles.